So this is Euro dollar analysis for Tuesday, the 17th of April. Now, let's just have a look what prices and where prices may likely go. So previously we had price come down towards this 200 period moving average, came down for another retest of 200 period moving average. We're in around an area of confluence where we had the 400 period moving average marked out here in black, as well as the 200 period moving average here in blue. So what we did see was came out for a test, came pretty close for a second test, held the 400 period moving average, used it as a springboard for a move here to the upside above the 2362. Above 2362, we've had a couple of tests, held the 2362, used it as another level from which we have bounced and headed up towards the very next major level here in around that 2396. Now, in around 2396, we saw sell side momentum come into the market previously, heading back down towards that 200 period now, trading below the 2362. So we'll see whether we do get a bit of a double top here in around this 2396. We've already had a pullback from that level and we are testing again. So there's a possibility to break, bring us in alignment with the overall trend, which is to the upside, and see further upside continuation. So we'll see whether we do break above this 2396, a successful break and hold of 2396. And the very next levels that we are looking at is a move up towards that 2450, successful break from which we're looking for a move up towards that 125. And if we do see sufficient volatility, 125.55, our highs of 2018 so far, should come into focus. Now, if we do get a bit of a double top, or we do see that sell side momentum return to the market from here, the 2396, we're then looking for prices to retrace back down towards our 2362, from which we could potentially see a bullish bounce. If we do not find support there, we're then looking for prices to head down to this area of confluence where we do have the 400 period moving average, which could potentially act as a dynamic level of support, as well as the 200 period moving average. If we're unable to find support at the both the dynamic levels of the 400 and 200 period moving averages, we're then looking for price to retrace all the way down towards our 2287. Don't anticipate price moving beyond the 2287, but if we do see sufficient volatility later on during the week, we may head down towards our 2223. Overall, though, the trend does appear to be to the upside, and those are the levels that we are looking at. Now, with that said, that wraps up the euro dollar analysis. Thanks for watching.